This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. To enable Wi-Fi in a GO9 Plus unit, navigate to Assets, click the asset you'd like to enable Wi-Fi on, and come over here to Settings, Wi-Fi. Read through all of this to ensure you're good with the terms of use, and then click this Accept button. Toggle the Enable Hotspot option, and then under SSID, put in the name you'd like your Wi-Fi network to have, and type in your password twice. As this note says, be sure to have your drivers stay within the 2 GB data limit. This means they probably shouldn't be using the Wi-Fi for anything other than their ELD, since services like video streaming could easily eat up that 2 GB within the span of watching a single movie. Once everything here looks good, click Save back up at the top, and you're all set. The Wi-Fi should be available for your drivers to log into the next time they go and start up their vehicle. Keep in mind that it usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes for the Wi-Fi to kick on whenever a vehicle is started.